The one thing that I keep learning over and over again is that I don't know anything. I mean, that's my life lesson. Around every corner, always protect the engine that powers you. With drive and a bit of talent, you can move mountains. I know. I've done it. Check your ego at the door. The ego can be the great success inhibitor. It can kill opportunities, and it can kill success. I'm very low-key. I don't really blend in, so it's difficult to go out in public. I like to do things that are kind of quiet, whether it's dinner at my house or a restaurant, or a movie night at home. I learned a long time ago how to be coachable. Life is anything but predictable. Success isn't always about greatness. It's about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success. Greatness will come. The single most powerful thing I can be is to be myself. If I love you, I show you I love you every day. Little things, big things.